Hey guys, it's Martin.
And Bianca.
We're here in North Park, San Diego. We're gonna go eat at Rancho's Cocina. It's a Mexican food place. They have some vegan options, and we're actually here with Bianca's sisters and a couple of friends. It's Bianca's sister's birthday, and we're just gonna eat. We're gonna check out some spots in San Diego, maybe go to La Jolla, maybe a couple spots in Encinitas or Carlsbad, and then make our way back to Oceanside. So thank you for coming back this week. We're gonna bring you guys along as we hang out here, and we're gonna go eat now because we're pretty hungry.
We're starving. So we just got our food. It looks freaking amazing. I got the vegan green enchiladas. And what did you get?
I got the vegan Works carne asada burrito with green salsa.
Looks so good.
So we just finished eating. We're gonna go get some coffee now at Camino Coffee. We're here down the street, and then we're gonna see what they want to do next. Alright guys, we just got back in the car. As you just saw, we just finished eating our Mexican food. We went to Camino Coffee down the street here in South Park, and I'm so winded right now.
Yeah, me too.
It's pretty hot out. I wasn't expecting it to be this hot, but it's pretty warm, and it wasn't even a long walk, maybe like 15 minutes, but it's pretty hot. So we're heading to Coronado now. We're gonna go enjoy the beach for a little bit. And Bianca's sisters haven't been to downtown San Diego, so we're gonna go check out downtown San Diego, and then Coronado, and then we'll see where we go from there.
sister Vanessa.
Hi.
Today's her birthday. She turns 27. How do you feel?
I feel old.
Are you having a good day?
Yes, I am.
She graduated from Berkeley.
Yeah, go Bears.
So we go to the beach every single year for her birthday, and she's never been to San Diego before, so we decided to come to San Diego to celebrate.
We are leaving Coronado Beach. Not sure what we're gonna do next. We're gonna check out the map right now and see what we should do. I know there's probably gonna be traffic getting back to Oceanside, so we might do one more thing out here, kill some time, and then start driving back. Hey guys, it's the next day now. We didn't get a chance to film anymore yesterday. Everybody just kind of got home tired and hungry, so we just got some Chipotle, watched some YouTube, some movies, and then just hung out until Bianca's sisters and everybody went home, and then we just went to sleep. So that was pretty much our day yesterday. We want to thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next week.